dear students. Yesterday we have started our chapter light. Okay, and I have explained you some of the concepts relating to this chapter. As I have explained you about light. Light is a form of energy which produces the sense of sight. Next was reflection of light, bouncing back, throwing back of light after hitting, striking any smooth or polished surface is said to be reflection of light. Further, we discussed about the types of reflection and the reflection of light by a plane mirror. As I have discussed yesterday with you that the mirror which we use at our home is called makeup mirror or plane mirror. Okay. Generally, use of plane mirror was also discussed with you that plane mirror is used to form our duplicate copy or our reflected copy, or in the simple language, or our image. Plane mirror is used by us to see our duplicate copy, our reflected copy, or our image. Now, what are the characteristics or features of the image which is formed by plane mirror? That was also discussed with you yesterday. Once again I am going to give you a quick recap that the size of image is, suppose this is a plane mirror, suppose this is a plane mirror and this is an object. This is an object. So the size of image is exactly equals to the size of object. The size of image is exactly equal to the size of the object. The color of image is exactly same as object. Third was the image is laterally inverted. The image is laterally inverted means left side of the object appears to be right in the image and right side of the object appears to be left in the image. You must have experienced this even in your daily life कि जब हम mirror में stand up होते हैं, if we stand in front of mirror, the left side of the body appears to be at right and the right side appears to be at the left. This is called image is laterally inverted. This is called the image is laterally inverted. Fourth, the image formed is virtual and erect. The image formed is virtual. The image formed by plane mirror is virtual and erect. First of all, what is the meaning of virtual and erect image? Yesterday also we discussed the image which cannot be obtained on screen is the image which cannot be obtained on screen is virtual, and erect means upside to up, means upside of the object appears to be up in the mirror and downside of the object appears to be down in the mirror. मतलब image उल्टी नहीं होती है, केवल लेफ्ट राइट रिवर्सल होता है, अप डाउन का कोई भी रिवर्सल नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट, द डिस्टेंस between the mirror and object. The distance between mirror and object is equal to the distance between image and mirror. Means if the object is placed at 3 meter in front of mirror, if the object is placed at 3 meter in front of mirror, the image will also be formed but at 3 meter behind the mirror. Okay. The distances would be same. Object is at 3 meter, so image would also be at 3 meter, but object is placed in front of mirror and image is formed 3 meter behind the mirror. Okay, now please open your booklets, page number 7. Open your booklets, page number 7. Put the date. Open your booklets, page number 7, put the date. Choose the correct answer. Achha, one more thing I want to discuss. Ki mirrors are of two types, plane mirror and spherical mirrors. Plane mirror is discussed with you. Spherical mirror will be discussed in further part of the chapter. Spherical mirrors means, I am telling you in a short, the mirrors with a circular surface, either concave surface or convex. Some of you must be knowing what is concave, convex. Otherwise, I'll just explain you everything. What are spherical mirrors? When are they called concave and when are they called convex? That I will be discussing with you. Okay? Now, first of all, let us come to page number 7. I hope you all have put the dates. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which one shows lateral inversion? Plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, all of these. Lateral inversion. Answer would be plane mirror. Answer would be plane mirror. Okay. Question number 3. Rectilinear propagation is mode of travelling in curved lines, mode of travelling in straight lines, ability to bend around obstacles, displaying the phenomenon of dispersion. Yesterday I taught you, yes, the property of light rays of travelling in straight lines is called rectilinear propagation. Option B. Mode of travelling in straight lines. This question can also be asked as define the property of rectilinear propagation. It means the property of light rays of travelling in straight lines. 4th, in case of plane mirror, from the mirror, distance of image is equals to distance of object. Means if the object is at 3 meter in front of mirror, the image will also be formed at 3 meter behind the mirror. Means the distance of image is equals to the distance of object. Option B, object. Option B, object. Question number 5th. 3 light bulbs are concealed. Concealed means hidden. Concealed means hidden. 3 light bulbs are concealed from an observer by an opaque wall as shown. Without shifting the positions of the observer and the bulbs, the image of which of these bulbs can the observer be visible to from the plane mirror? Once read the question carefully, see the diagram and then I am explaining. The picture is given as, okay? Picture is given as, what is shown in the picture? 3 bulbs are shown in the picture, P, Q and R. Okay? Without shifting the position of the observers and the bulbs, the image of which bulbs can the observer be visible to see from the plane mirror? Which of these 2 bulbs can form the image? Okay? The image of bulb, the image of which 2 bulbs, P, Q, R, among these 3, the image of which 3 bulbs can be observed by the observer. This is the wall, this is the plane mirror. So, which 2 can form the image under this region? Bulb P and bulb Q. We can observe the image of bulb P and bulb Q. Yes. So, option B, bulb P and bulb Q. Okay. 6th, if we want to see our full image, then the minimum size of the plane mirror, means if you want to see the full image of your body, what should be the length of the plane mirror? Minimum. सबसे छोटा से छोटा कौन सा होना चाहिए? It should be less than your height. It should be equal to your height. it should be double your height, or it depends upon distance from the mirror. Okay? So this question would be your homework. Go through this question and come to me with a suitable answer along with the reason. And if you can't, then I'll explain you. This is a very interesting question. Observe it at your home and then try to find out the answer. That is why I am giving it as a homework. First try to observe it at your home practically and then you should answer it. 7th, a plane mirror reflects a pencil of light to form a real image. Then the pencil of light incident on the mirror is convergent. Answer would be convergent. When I will explain you concave and convex, then you will be able to understand convergent and divergent. Okay? Turn the pages. Question number 10. When the distance between the object and plane mirror increases. When the distance between the object and plane mirror increases. Matlab, this object is being shifted. Distance is increased. Okay? Object is shifted apart, shifted far apart from the mirror. Then what would happen? Image remains same. Size of image will become less than the size of object. The distance between the image and plane mirror increases. The distance between image and plane mirror decreases. Means अगर ये object का distance increase होते जाएगा तो image का distance will also increase, because according to law distance of object from the mirror is equal to distance of image from the mirror. Means if you are shifting the object, the image will also be shifted to that extent but behind the mirror. Okay? So answer to this would be C. Now your homework is to do question number 2 and 3 of page number 8. It's mentioned 2 again here in front of fill in the blanks. You should make it 3. You should make it 3. So your homework is to do question number 2 and 3, that is assertion and reason type, and fill in the blanks. And for some of the work I will be sharing PDF with you most probably by tomorrow. Okay? And go through the explanation, go through the written part, go through the books properly so that you can get everything. Write down the homework, do question number 2 and 3 of page number 8. Homework, do question 2 and 3 of page 8. Okay kids, thank you class.